Hi, this is TraesaTitel, and I am here to demonstrate my code for Enhancement 4. So here is my view for my vehicle management page. It is directed through the vehicle controller, vehicle management controller, so it is open just with the folder here. And add car classifications is then one of the cases for, and here's a key value pair here that pulls this up. If I click to add, I get an error message. Please provide information for all the empty form fields. And if I add, then it puts it up in my menu bar with the extra capital O. So there's that. If I add the vehicle inventory, I have my dynamic drop-down lists. Well, I'll show you how if I forget to fill in a field in a minute. Okay, so here's all of my fields filled in. And I have my success message here. Thanks for adding the Ford Gravedigger. If I want to, if I fail to fill in some of the fields, then we have an error message here. Then I can show you. If I refresh this, then you can see that the car classification of monster truck was added to my classifications in the database, and in the inventory list we have Gravedigger was added as well. So here is my here's my valid CSS, and I only have one file, so that's for all views. Here is my HTML. For the add vehicle view, here's my HTML. Just the same warnings. For the add car classifications, and this is for my vehicle management view. As far as everything being in MVC, I have all of my views being sent out through the vehicles index, the vehicle controller. So the index in the vehicles folder, using my case statement. So my add classification view, my add vehicle view, and then once they click on those, then again, the add classifications, it delivers that view, and then the information is retrieved and sent over to the model for putting into the database. The model then will send back the outcome, and I either for the add classification, it's just going to go by header, so it can dynamically update the nav bar. If there's an error, then it comes back that way. It also checks to see if any of the fields are empty, as you saw, and that error message was delivered. The same happens with the add vehicle. Again, the view is delivered by the controller. The information is gathered from the form, sent back to the controller, where we input it in, make sure all the fields are occupied, then send it over to the model for the model to run the function to actually add it to the database. If it's added to the database successfully, then we have a success message, and if there's an error, then we have an error message. So I believe that's everything I need to show you. Thanks so much.